Hey there, Scots! I know you missed me. I'm your host, Carlos Rafael Iglesias, here on Scots Weekly, and I'm here with...
Elijah Cantu.
Oh, yeah. We're going to be getting some announcements, as usual. And then we're going to get a little recap, of the past week, because, our football team took that big dub on homecoming.
Yes, sir.
That's what I like to see. But anyways, let's get into these announcements.
So, Scots, if you signed up for the PSAT but haven't yet received your student guide, stop by the finance office to get it.
Anyways, attention seniors. Do you want to be in the yearbook, but do you hate taking pictures? Believe me, I do too. There's a senior right here. Anyways, make sure you get in contact with our school photographer, Carlos Murillo, before October 28th, or else you can't be in the yearbook, man. I don't even know why the yearbook coming around so quick. School just started. But anyways, you go ahead.
Thank you, Carlos.
No problem.
So, students, you must have a current Highland High School ID to do any transaction at the finance office. This expedites service at the window and helps verify your identification. If you need your ID card, please go to the library before school, lunch, or after school.
All right, man. Let me tell you like this. Do you want one of these cool drama t-shirts? Do
Yes.
you want one that looks like Stranger Things? I know that's your favorite show. Season 5 just came out.
Yes.
Or was it season 4?
It was season 4.
It was season 4. Anyways, if you want a t-shirt like this, make sure you stop by the finance office. It's 20 hot ones. I know you want it, even though it's the last day, so I want to see that line out there.
Now, Scots, it's time for a quick break. Now, let's bring it to
Ricky!
with some information about what's happening next week at the cafeteria. So listen up, Scots.
Hey Scots, I'm Ricky. Do you want to win a free ticket for the movies? National School Lunch Week is for October 10th to October 14th. When you get a lunch during the National School Lunch Week, you will be entered in a drawing to win a movie ticket. Winner will be announced on Friday, October 14th. And here's a quick reminder. We serve breakfast from 8:25 to 8:55, lunch at the usual time, dinner from 4 to 5, and a snack from 5:30 to 6:30. Thank you.
Now, here's a weather report for next week.
Now it's time for sports.
Hi, my name is Christian Cisneros. Welcome back to the Scots Weekly News. Today we'll be going over the highlights of the Independence versus Highland High School homecoming football game. Well, that's all for the highlights today. Make sure you come out at Centennial at 7:30 to watch the Scotsmen versus the Golden Hawks play. You guys better be there.
All right, Scots, that's it. I'm your host, Elijah Cantu. Peace.
That's all, folks.
Hi, my name is Nathaniel Tulano, and my scary story happened right after Halloween night. It was really late, probably 12 a.m. I can't really remember, but because I was so worried I was late to go back home. I looked forward and I saw a strange man with a top hat and a black coat staring at the moon like he was memorized by it. Out of nowhere, he turned around, swirling and dancing like he was dancing with someone. And then he stopped, staring straight at me. I froze. I didn't know what to do. Then he started running towards me. Without even a thought, I started running all the way home. That was my scary story.